Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your headphones JLAB GOWORK from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now it's device list. Click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. And right here at the last line we have the button forget this device. You need to tap at this button. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your headphones but leave them at the device list, you need to select disconnect and you can reconnect them in the future. But let's remove them. So forget this device and forget device. Now we can turn off these headphones. At the bottom of your right ear cup, near to the LED light, we have power button. You need to press and hold at the power button until you will see the red LED light. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!